Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to uninstall Adobe Acrobat. Click on Start menu, then find Acrobat from here. Right click on Acrobat, then click Uninstall. Here's Program and Feature panel has opened. Now find the Acrobat from this list. After getting Acrobat, just right click on it, then click Uninstall. Click on Yes. Acrobat is uninstalling now. It will take some time to finish. Do not turn your PC shutdown until this uninstalling progress is finished. Okay, it's finished. As you can see, Acrobat has been removed from my PC. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.